Hello, here's a short video of how to multiplex cameras on the Barn system. For the purpose of this demo, we are multiplexing one camera. But we could of course multiplex several more on one thread of fiber. Over here we have a Ikegami CCU. This CCU is put in single fiber mode, so we can have a dry fiber straight out of the CCU. From the CCU, it goes into a regular 1310 SFP in the Barn frame, where the signal is routed out to a CWDM SFP, which in turn is cabled to the multiplexer. From the multiplexer, the signal goes to site B. In the multiplexer, the signal is demultiplexed into a CWDM SFP, which in turn is routed to a 1310 SFP, which is cabled to a telecast HDX box, which powers and gives signals to the camera. In the opposite direction, we have the exact same route, from the camera to the HDX box to the 1310 SFP, which is routed to the CWDM SFP, which in turn is cabled to the multiplexer. So now the return signals are multiplexed on the same fiber back to the CCU side, where the return signals are demultiplexed, and this is of course on a separate wavelength than the opposite direction. And then the signal is routed back into the CCU, and we have a complete bidirectional system. How you connect the CCU to the Barn frame is dependent on what camera system you're using. Here we are using Ikegami, which makes it fairly simple to use a passive LEMO to dry fiber connection box. If you have a Sony system, you might have to use a telecast shed box. And if you have a Grass Valley system, you could either use a shed box, or perhaps your CCU has a dry fiber connector. Anyways, they all connect to the Barn frame same way.